Welcome back, everybody. I think everybody in Griddle Nation knows that I love stir fry. It's definitely my favorite thing to cook on the Blackstone Griddle. Let me know down below what kind of stir fry you like. Do you like to use steak or scallops or shrimp? Do you like noodles or do you like rice? Let me know what you like. We're on vacation here in the Smoky Mountains. It's beautiful. I picked up a 28-inch Blackstone at the local Walmart, and we're gonna make a sweet and simple stir fry. Avocado oil, blazing hot Blackstone 28-inch griddle. Always like to start my cooks with cooking oil spread over the entirety of the griddle. It just helps with the seasoning. Diced chicken thighs. Cut these up in the kitchen, mixed in a little teriyaki sauce and minced garlic. You can let this marinate as long as you want, even overnight. Down onto a blazing hot griddle top. And this is what I like about being on vacation or cooking while camping. I love buying these little pre-portioned veggies. Bell pepper and onion, sliced zucchini, coleslaw mix, which is carrot, red cabbage, and white cabbage, and a little extra carrot because I want more orange. We're gonna check on my chicken. We should be getting an instant sear. Instant sear, check that out. Mix those veggies up. Some people like to take water and use the water to help steam the veggies. You can certainly do that, but it's not necessary. Makes steaming the veggies that much easier. It's been about 45 seconds or 1 minute. Grab my spatulas. Chicken looks out of this world. I'm actually gonna mix that chicken up with the veggies. The grease from the chicken's gonna help the veggies to cook. Love, love, love these pre-cooked stir-fry noodles. Udon, Hokkien noodles, soba noodles, love them. Avocado oil down with the udon noodles. If you're new to these udon noodles, this is how they come out of the package. You basically have to break them apart, just like that. Now I'm gonna move my chicken with the veggies and the oil into my noodles. Oh my goodness, if you could smell this now. We're gonna mix it up. Those noodles by themselves are actually really bland, but they absorb the flavor of your food. So that teriyaki sauce, woohoo! Those noodles are flavor transport vessels. A little bit of black pepper and Himalayan pink salt. We're on vacation, so just the seasonings we could pick up at the grocery store. Stir fry definitely involves action. I think of stir fry as an action word, so keep everything moving, but have fun with it. That's why I like a 28 or a 36-inch griddle whenever possible. It allows me to play with my food. Total elapsed time so far with this food, maybe 6-7 minutes. It cooks super quick. I want to get in there and test everything, see what it tastes like. Oh, look at that, zucchini noodles, look at that, perfect. Zucchini noodles, squash noodles, just helps take that stir fry to the next level. Be careful, it's hot. Right before I'm done, I'll take my teriyaki sauce, put a little more down in the noodles. You definitely want to do that towards the end because you'll see it caramelizes and you don't want it to burn. One last mix. Total cooking time so far, maybe 8 minutes, 9 minutes, I don't know. It hasn't been too long. Sweet and simple stir fry. Can't forget the name. It's so easy to make a stir-fry dinner and feed your family and friends. I'm using teriyaki sauce. I love cilantro. A lot of people wouldn't think about cilantro for stir-fry, but trust me, it is the perfect garnish on top of a teriyaki stir fry. Little sriracha on top. Ooh, baby. Sesame seeds gives a nice contrast and really good texture. And the cilantro on top. Take a look at that. Couldn't have been any easier. Cooking time was under 10 minutes. Stir fry looks amazing, but look at this unsightly griddle. I just seasoned this griddle. Go back and watch my seasoning video if you want to. You see everything's kind of burning off. I'm gonna scrape all that junk, all that residue back here into my grease cup. I'm still on high heat, by the way. You want to be high heat or at least on medium heat. The theory is grease solidifies, so it's just way easier to clean a hot griddle. Grab some paper towels. Be careful. This is a very hot griddle top. If you don't want to use your bare hands like I am doing, you could certainly grab some tongs or heat-resistant gloves, whatever it takes. Grab some cooking oil. In this case, avocado oil that we're using today. You can see it's smoking off immediately. I'm gonna kill the burners. Gonna go in again, being very, very careful. I'm gonna rub a light coat of oil in my griddle top. This is the way that I always leave my griddle top. You can use tongs if you want to, just be careful. And that's how I'll leave my griddle top, with a nice sheen of cooking oil. You know what time it is. It's time to get my fork and give this stir fry a try. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I know I shouldn't be double dipping in a family style meal, but I just did it. It's my video. Here we go, round two. It is hot. It has sriracha. So if you don't like the spice, just don't put it in there. That would have been equally as perfect. I do the sriracha as much as I do it for the spice, because I love it, as I do for the color contrast. There you go. It's that easy. I'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the sweet and simple stir fry.